Hi friends, today I am going to tell you an application actually which is going to helpful for all the teachers and also for the students to transfer files, PDF files and PPTs, and you can give assignments. Why I have preferred this application is because we people use WhatsApp for exchanging of all these facts, but thing is our parents and actually elders, they are using same mobile and giving the same mobile to students, so they are not using the phone actually in a proper way. Sometimes students get into WhatsApp and they search for personal and office work related files. So let's have a separate application for separate application for education and separate for personal. So let me introduce you with that application. So let's get into Play Store. In Play Store, just click on Google Classroom. So once it gets open, actually already I have installed it, so it shows the open button here actually. So this is open. Let's click on open button here. And then once we click on open button here, you can see already I have created few classes actually. Before this page actually, it will ask you for an email ID entry. Just enter one email ID actually and then get into this page. So here you can see class 3, class 4, class 8, class 9, 4 classes I have created already. So let me show you how to create class. So here actually when you press on what is that called actually, here the plus button actually on the upper side. So actually just click it. So here it will show you join class and create class. Join class is for the students actually who want to join the class, and create class is for the teachers actually who wants to create the class. So first let me show the join class. Join class, here if you click actually, here it asks you for a class code. It is about actually 6 to 7 letters actually. It will be, this code will be given by your teacher. So I will tell you where to get this code actually, how to get it. So here if the student enter the class code, and here in the topmost part actually you can see JOIN join. So if you click on join actually, then actually the student will be joined in the classroom. So let us click again actually and create class. So here it is asking you, because of this corona pandemic, hope we are not using any classroom at school with students. We are at home safe actually. So this is a privacy and security. So click on this and then click on continue. Here it is asking for the class name, for which class you want to create. So let it be class 10th class, and section, which section it is asking, let it be D section. Room, which room number it is asking, 7th room number. Subject, it is asking what subject it is actually, let it be math or Hindi, whatever you feel actually, you can just write it down here actually. So I am going to click on create button. I have filled all this actually, just create this. So it will take some time to create. Here now you can see actually class 10 is created actually. So let's get into this class, and here we are going to get into this classwork. Here down you can see classwork, just click on it. So here I am going to click on this plus button actually. You can see a blue circle here, so click on it, and then you can see if you want to give any assignments, you can give. If you want to ask any questions and materials, topic, reuse the, again whatever you have posted, again you can post the same questions actually. You can ask the answer for this from the students. So let me show you how you are going to write assignment. So for example, you want to give some assignment for the students. Let it be some title and the description, what is the do's and don'ts, hints you want to give actually. Just I can type actually whatever you feel like, and then type it, and you have to tell actually how many points actually you are going to give, whether it is 50 points or 100 points, whatever it is, and you have to give the due date for them actually. This is the last date and time, and even you can give the time actually for them before 6 o'clock or whatever you feel comfortable actually. Just click on it, and then topic actually, what topic actually you want to give, just give this topic and click on click button, and just save it. So now this is done actually. This is what the assignment you want to give for the students, and then you can send here actually forward button. You can see here actually a arrow mark. So just click on those that arrow mark actually. Now this assignment will be sent to the student actually. So I didn't show you actually how to add students in this actually. So let me show you. Just click on people. If you click on people, this page will be appeared. So here actually you can see in class 10 teacher is Tasin Begum actually, but there is no student has been added. So click on this actually. Here you can see, right? So here is the one next to the student, there is actually a plus button with a person. So actually click on that, and then here name or email ID you have to type actually. So I will actually let it be Tasin just Begum. Oh, here it is asking you to type a name or email ID actually. Let me type Tasin TPT tpt@gmail.com. Okay, this is one more email ID of mine actually, so I will click here invite. So here it is processing, getting processed. So here you can see actually it is invited. So the same way you can click on here actually, and again you click on this plus button, you can invite one more student actually. You can type and complete this process. How much ever students you want, you can add it. So this way you can add students here actually. Now tasintpt@gmail.com, you have to share the code actually of the student actually with your students. So for example, this is class 10. Click on it, and can you see 3 lines on the topmost layer on the left side actually? Just click on it, and this is class 10. So if you want to go on to class 9, you can go like this. So here can you see a button in the topmost layer? So let's go to the class 10 which we created. So here you can see the setting button actually in the top layer. Next to the 3 dots actually, here you can see a setting button. So if you click on setting button, here you can see about the class, description, section, which class, and general class code is given here. So here you can see SRA4V XX actually. So this is the class code actually. You can give it to your students. The same way you can check to the other classes. In the class 9, it has a very different code. Here I'm going to the settings, and here I can see actually this class 9 has a different class code 04AVCVI. So this is the class code which you have to give. So once you give actually, and you can give whatever you want, even you can send your PDF files. See here actually, get into the classwork and press this plus button. So now I want to send some materials actually for my students. So here you can see some attachment is here. Just click on this attachment, and whether it is in a drive, link, file, take photo, record video, or any new PDF you want to create, it is asking actually. So you have to actually, if you want to take a video and send actually, explain regarding it actually, you can, and you want to take a photo and send, you can, and you want to send any link actually, you can click on the link and actually you can add here. And here you can see a drive is given here actually. For the drive, if you have any of your you can see actually my drive, computer, shared with me, stayed, recent. So you just go to the recent actually, and you can, whatever file you want to send it to your student actually, you can select from here and send it. And for example, you want to send it actually from your WPS files actually. For that, what we have to do is get into the classwork, just press this plus button and get into the materials, and then what we have to do, attached file actually, click it, and then you have to click the file button. So when you click on file button actually, here you can see the topmost layer actually, 3 3 lines are there, horizontal lines. Just click on it. So here you can see all your file manager, WPS office actually, drive, photos, everything is here. Click on WPS office. WPS office will take you to your folder actually, where you have saved all your files. For example, you want to send actually students regarding, here I'm going to click on gender. So here you can see gender PPTX actually, the file has got attached here, and here you can give some title, some description, and some topic. If you want to add topic, the same topic what you have actually, just save it, and then this attachment you can send here. You can see a forward button here, just forward to the students so that it will be helpful. Why I am suggesting this application is because to have a separate material application, so that when students open it, there should not be clumps of photos, the PDF files, and interlinked with all. Maybe actually few houses actually there will be 3 kids actually, 3 kids will be using different like what to say actually, in the same WhatsApp, all the students are using the same thing. So it will be get so much of confusion. So this is the way actually how we are going to use this. So here you can see material, topic, and reuse. Again actually, if you want to reuse the same post, for example, you want to send this, see, click on it here, click here, HDDHH. So I'm going to reuse the same post actually. Again I'm going to send it, just click on it, and the same question paper you can send it to them. So see, again actually HDDH actually, again 2 times I have sent it. Sometimes actually you want to delete this or edit this, actually you can click on this 3 button and you can do it. So when you go to people, you can add your even you can add teacher at the same time if 2 or more teachers actually if you want to have in the same classroom, or else actually if you want to add more of the students, actually just you can click here and actually add their name or email ID so that you can invite them. So here by clicking it, actually you can see the classes and how many classes you have and everything. So I have showed you actually this is how we are going to use the Google Classroom, and then it's up to you how you are going to explore it and actually use it in a good way. Thank you so much for listening. Take care. Bye bye. If you like my video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to click bell button. Thank you.